Thank you very much to Direct Joey, my classmate, and the proponents of film in the FDCP for this parangal. Maraming salamat po. To my sons, Francis and Martin, thank you very much for your understanding, your love and support. This honor I share with you, and of course with your dad. I will not be standing here right now if the three of you did not allow me to fly. So thank you very much. Of course, it feels good to be given this honor for all the hard work, the time, the love, and creativity that I devoted to my work, to my career. But it's also a good time to look back and reminisce what you may call a lifetime. Anyway, magbabalik naman po ang maalaala mo kaya. So, konting paglimot po sa aking nakaraan. It wasn't too long ago when I was a little girl in Calapan, Oriental, Mindoro, nakikinig ng mga drama sa radyo sa aking small Avicon transistor radio. Naghihintay sa tindahan for the latest issue of Liwayway at mga iba pang comics. Pag nagbabakasyon po kami dito sa Manila, I attempted to enter the gates of ABS-CBN para makapanood ng Oras ng Ligaya at Sensations. Hindi po ako pinapasok ng guard. Nung nakarating na po kami sa Manila, the family moved to Manila, nilulusong ko po ang recto. Kahit baha, para lang makapanood ng mga pelikula ni FPJ, ni Guy and Dave, at ng napakarami ko pang paboritong artista. Yan po, lahat pinagdaanan ko, katulad ng napakaraming Pilipino. Isa po akong dakilang movie fan. So, before I went into filmmaking, I was a member of the audience. It wasn't too long ago, also when I got a role in the movie Itim in 1976. And from being a member of the audience, naging bahagi na po ako ng paggawa ng pelikula. And after Itim, my destiny has been set. Buong buhay ko po, naging bahagi na ako ng pelikulang Pilipino. And napakaswerte ko po that I experienced the entire realm of Philippine cinema. From the art movies of experimental cinema of the Philippines, to the mainstream movies of Regal Films, from the big budgeted films of Bancom Audiovision, to the small indie films, including my own Vision Films, until I joined television and I started Star Cinema. So, napakalawak po ng aking naging karanasan sa sining ng pelikula. So, napakarami po pong dapat pasalamatan, nagsisimula sa aking ama na dinadissect ang mga pelikulang pinapanood namin tuwing Sabado ng aking mga kapatid. To the late Lino Broca, who introduced me to Mike De Leon, my first director. Of course, to Mother Lily. To my boss, Gabby Lopez, who prodded me to go back into filmmaking after I joined television. To my film collaborators, my sister, Malu Santos and Olive Lamasan. Actually, napakarami po nila. Too many to mention. Maraming salamat po. That is why this is also a great opportunity to thank everyone who have helped me in my journey. Filmmaking is the ultimate collaborative medium. No one can claim solo credit to any film. Everyone has to put his heart into making a good film. There are two things that I am most proud of in my 50 years in this industry. Yes, I am a Golden Girl this year. Star Cinema, because it is through Star Cinema that I was able to give the kind of accessible but deep storytelling to our audiences that I call from listening to radio dramas, watching television, watching cinema, even classic Hollywood. Lahat po ng pinagdaanan ko, lahat ng experience ko ay humubog sa akin sa pagbibigay ng magagandang kwento. And I'm very proud to say that up to now, the movies of Star Cinema is being supported by our audiences. At ang isa po, the other one is Sagip Pelikula. Ang partner ko naman po dito ay si Leo Katimbang. Naniniwala po ako na ang Film Archives is the true crown jewel of every film studio. Dahil itong mga lumang pelikulang po ito ang sumasalamin sa ating lahi, sa ating buhay, sa ating kultura. Ito po ang sisidlan at tahanan ng ating buhay bilang mga Pilipino. So napaka-importante po nun sa akin. At this stage, Philippine cinema is really challenged. Napakahirap pong magpakita ng pelikula ngayon. Hindi natin alam kung ano ang hinaharap. With the onset of the streaming platforms, sa paghina ng ating mga teatro. So, kailangan po natin talagang magsama-sama, magtulungan, at ibalik ang sigla ng pelikulang Pilipino. To the FDCP, we have always been at the forefront of progress for Philippine cinema. You have my love and my prayers. There is a great mission ahead to save the vessel of the soul of our people. That is your mission, and we are counting on you. But for tonight, let us all celebrate, appreciate how far we have reached, and gather strength from each other. Maraming salamat po.